Hello everyone, welcome to a how-to video, and this how-to video is how to fix a door handle just temporarily. So, where's the handle? Take it out. Where do we put it? What? Here is the handle here, so we're going to take the handle off. Depends how what screws you use. These are some little screws and these are the big screws. So what you want to do first, you want to put your handle on there like that. Look at your big screw, and you want to screw in. Another screw. And now with your little screws, you want to try and find a smaller head than I have, but let's find a small head. Found a slightly thinner head. That should get into these screws a lot tighter. We need something to put that in. Then we'll have a little screw in. Unfortunately, we don't. On the head. That's the right head, but it's too big. That's the right head. So just try to find as many screws as you can. So, there's my screws that I have found. We're just gonna pop these in. That big one because I won't go in there. Go on forever. I feel like if I don't get this in. I don't get this screw in. And then you want to find your small enough screw like this. Just hope. The small one again. Depends how loose it is. And then bring you up. And that the handle complete. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you. Bye.